What's up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here and welcome sa panibagong episode. Today, discuss lang natin yung mga dividend paying stocks this month. So yeah, March Madness na rin kung basketball fans kayo. Exciting tong month na to para sa atin lahat. Anyway, magsimula tayo with PLC, so Premium Leisure Corp. I think na-discuss ko na to previously sa isang separate video. So quick background lang, Premium Leisure Corp na incorporate siya noong 1993. Yung unang business nila is oil exploration, but now ang focus nila is gaming related businesses. So na-acquire niya yung Belle Corporation, and then yung PSEi, yung mga loto, so yung software and equipment, sila nagpo-provide sa PCSO. So tingnan natin yung price niya. Current price, so ni-record ko tong video na to Sunday ngayon, so Friday yon, last trading day, nasa 52 centavos tayo. And then yung current yield na ibibigay niya for this year compared to the 52 centavo price per share is nasa 9.66%. So ito yung ibibigay niyang dividend this 2020. It is 5 centavos per share. 2019 same lang, so same yield lang din siya kasi it's exactly the same nung binigay nila nung last year, 2019. So ito makikita nyo. So ang pinakamahalagang i-take note dito is yung X date. So i-upload ko to like on the X date of the stock. So March 3 kasi Tuesday yun. So yeah, hopefully nakabili na kayo nun before yung X date or mismong day para mabayaran din kayo ng dividends for this year. I think never pa silang, well yeah, according dito sa history nila ng dividend payments, hindi pa sila nakapagbigay ng special payments. So yeah, hindi natin inaasahan yun, but hopefully, someday or maybe this year is the year, magbibigay sila nun siguro like the latter part of the year na yun mangyayari. And then ito pakita ko lang sa inyo, meron akong 20,000 shares ng PLC kasi medyo mura siya eh. Yung average price nung nabili ko siya is nasa 58 centavos, so medyo mataas siya compared to the current price. I'm not looking to buy more, but tingnan natin kasi yun nga, sa March 3 na siya yung X date. And para mabayaran ko ng dividends for this year. So I think i-ai ko na lang yung ibang stocks na magbibigay din ng dividends for this year. But sa list na to, ito yung may pinakamataas na yield. So kung trip nyo bumili nito, go lang. The next one is BEL, Belle Corporation. Brief background lang. Na-incorporate siya noong 1973. Mining and oil exploration din siya. Similar dun sa PLC. And then ngayon, sa na sila? Sa facilities with the integrated resort. Tapos sila din yung may hawak na entertainment city, which was eventually branded as the City of Dreams, Manila. So yung current price niya is 1.54 pesos. So yung yield this year, kasi 12 centavos per share yung bibigay niyang dividends, is 7.79%. Same lang yan with last year. Hindi siya nag-increase, pero may history siya ng increase eh, kung titingnan na dito. So from 2014, like every year nag-increase siya, except nung 2015 to 2017. Actually, bumaba siya ng konti. Halos, half. And then, 3 straight years, 2015 to 2017, ganun lang. Then, nag-increase ulit, naging 12 centavos na. Starting nung 2018. Then, 3 straight years ulit. So, hopefully, next year, magtaas ulit sila ng ibibigay na dividends. Pero, healthy yung yield niya, 7.17%. Actually, medyo mataas siya. Then, meron lang 1,000 shares nito. And, ayun nga, kung nakita nyo, 2.18 yung price per share na nabili ko siya, yung average price. Kasi medyo up yung market nung nabili ko tong stock na to. And, if you don't know it yet, medyo mababa yung market natin ngayon, yung stock market. So, nagpa-plummet siya. Nasa parang 6.7k points lang yung PSE. I think parang mini-mirror lang niya yung performance din ng stock market sa US kasi yun medyo nagpa-plummet din sila. And marami ring factors kasi may natatakot yung tao kumbaga. So diba like lately lang sumabog yung taal, so I think nagpo-pull out yung mga foreign investors and then yung coronavirus. But I think wala naman reason para magpanic tayo, like ibenta yung stocks natin na hinahawakan. Kasi nga pag bumaba siya, wala namang ibang pupuntahan nyo kundi tumaas ulit. And kung profitable naman yung businesses na binibili nyo, magbibigay pa rin yan ng dividends. Most likely. Hindi siya sigurado. Pero most likely magbibigay pa rin siya. And then, move on tayo to the next one. CLI, Cebu Landmasters Incorporated. I think first time ko lang ito na-cover. Na-incorporate siya noong September 26, 2003. Then, real estate-related activities yung business nila. The company caters to the high-end, mid-market, economic, and socialized segments of the housing market. Apart from its condominiums and subdivisions, Cebu Landmasters also engaged in building mixed-use development, office buildings, and hotels. Current price is 4 pesos and 42 centavos. Yield na ibibigay niya for this year is 5.65%. That is 25 centavos per share. Last year, mas mababa siya. 4.52% lang yung yield. And then, 20 centavos per share yung binigay na dividends. So, ito. Bago pa lang siya nagbibigay ng dividends. So, 2018 nag-start. It's good na every year nag-increase siya. So, I think this is a good buy. Wala pa akong nabibiling CLI na stock. So, I think it's a good time to buy kasi malapit na sila magbigay ng dividends. So, yung ex-date is March 31. Medyo matagal pa. May 1 month pa tayo para bumili. And hopefully, hindi naman masyado tumaas yung prices niya. Kasi nga, yun, na-announce na yung dividend payments for this year. Usually, tumataas yung prices nung stocks kapag magbibigay na sila ng dividends and then bababa siya kapag nabayaran na yung dividends. So, ayun. Let's move on to the next one. It is, alam naman natin lahat to, MER, Manila Electric Company. So, Meralco yan. Diyan tayo halos lahat nagbabayad ng kuryente pag nandito tayo sa Luzon. I think di na natin kailangan bigyan ng background yung Meralco. Let's jump right into it. Yung current price is 269 and 80 centavos. Yung yield niya for this year is mababa pa kasi nagbibigay sila ng special like late months of the year. So like September, November, something like that. Pero yung ginawa nila last year. So last year yung yield is 5.95%. So that's a total of 16 pesos per share. But this March, ibibigay pa lang nila is 2.5. So total of 10 pesos per share. So 3.85 pa lang yung yield. But if they decide to give another special dividend this November kasi sila nagbigay last year. So tataas yung yield yan. Abot din siya ng almost 6, 5 point something percent, almost 6%. But if they decide not to give that special dividend payment, okay pa rin naman, 3.85% pa rin yan. Malaki pa rin yan. And yan, makikita nyo dito, last year, nung March 19, yung ex-date, actually binayaran April 15 pa. So, 5.9 and 4.63. And then, okay, mali pala ako. August 22 pala nila yung ex-date. So, bali, September nila binayaran yung another 5.46 na dividends. And this year, tumaas ng konti yung regular from 4.63 naging 5.1. And then yun, may special na agad na 5.2. So hopefully magbigay ulit sila this August para sulit na sulit yung pagbili natin ng stocks nila. Okay, so pupunta tayo dito ngayon sa mga special mentions na nagbigay sila last year around this time. So March din. But like hindi pa nila na-announce this year. So hindi tayo sigurado kung magbibigay sila. But I think most likely hindi sila makapagbigay kasi I think as early as late Feb na-announce na agad yung mga dividend payments para mabigyan ni X-date, ganon. Actually, wala akong resource eh. Si Chill Invest lang yung tinitingnan ko. Like currently. Maganda yung website niya eh. Shoutout nga pala eh. Chill Invest. Sobrang helpful nung tools mo sa website mo. Yung PSEi kasi sobrang buggy sa akin. Like, marami akong pages na hindi ma-open. But yeah, anyway. So, balik tayo dito sa mga special mentions. ANS, A. Soriano Corporation. So, yung yield niyan last year is 8.2%. Yung ex-date na binigay is March 12 last year yon. So, di ba kung isipin mo, kung magbibigay sila ngayong March this year, dapat na-announce na yun. And yeah, nasa record siya ng BPI trade but wala pa. So, abang-abang lang tayo. The other one is PHN, Finma Corporation. Yield last year is 8.08%. Ex-date March 18. Then SCC, Semirara Mining and Power Corporation. Yield was 6.44%. Ex-date last year was March 28. And then AP, Aboitiz Power Corporation. Yield niya is 5.35%. Ex-date last year was March 18. So yan. Yun yung mga kailangan natin abangan. Kasi nag-try akong bumili ng ANS actually this Feb, I think. Kaso wala, medyo hindi naabot yung price na gusto ko dun sa limit order ko. So lagi siyang na-expire lang. PHN, I think di ko pa natatry. SEC last year natatry akong bumili niyan. Kaso hindi rin na-fulfill yung orders ko kasi medyo mataas pa yung price kumpara dun sa gusto kong price. AP, medyo mahal kasi yung Aboitiz eh. But I think worth it siya. But I'm not sure kung magbibigay sila ng dividends this year. So yeah, abangan lang natin yan. And then recap lang natin yung mga dividend paying stocks this month. So yung mga na-announce na yung dividend payments, may dates na, may ex-dates na. PLC, Belle, CLI, and Meralco syempre. Then yung mga hindi pa na-announce pero nagbigay sila around this time last year. ANS, PHN, SEC, and AP. Alright. tapos na naman yung episode guys. E-end na natin dito. Like and share nyo na rin if natripan nyo itong content ko. So reminder lang, every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday ako nag-upload. So subscribe na kayo sa channel para wala kayong ma-miss na content. And syempre ring the notification bell. So before we end, share ko lang sa inyo tong quote from Warren Buffett. Sabi niya, we simply attempt to be fearful when others are greedy, and to be greedy only when others are fearful. So yan, yung nangyayari ngayon, maraming tao yung fearful kasi nga bumabagsak yung points ng stock market, bumababa yung value ng mga binili lang stocks. So nagpapanik sila na, kailangan ko na i-cut yung losses ko. But if you believe dun sa companies, sa businesses na binilhan nyo ng stocks, and nakita nyo na in the next 5, 10, 20 years, in the long run, na magiging profitable pa rin sila, hindi nyo kailangan mag-worry. Huwag nyong hayaan na yung emotions nyo will get the best of you. And magbenta kayo ng stocks and then eventually makaka-recover naman. And then miss out yung mga dividend payments in the future. And yun nga, wala namang makapagsabi kung saan papunta yung stock market. Kung babagsak ba siya, kung tataas ba siya. Hindi natin alam yun. Walang makapag-predict nun ng tamang-tama. Siguro may ilan mga nakachamba. Pero I think mas maganda mag-bet dun sa mga businesses na alam nating tatagal. For example, yung Cebu Pacific. Pag sobrang bumababa yung stocks nila, mag-stop na sila mag-operate? Hindi naman, di ba? Kasi parang staple na sila dito sa Philippines, and they offer good deals naman. So I don't think bigla lang sila malulugi and magsasara. So yun, 2 cents ko lang sa mga natatakot dyan at gusto na magbenta ng kanilang stocks. Anyway, end na talaga natin yung video here guys. Thanks for watching, and sa mga podcast listeners, thanks for listening. I'll see you guys in the next one, and remember, be Peso smart.